more importantly, I'm more important for your safety.
We're not here to talk about that.
No, let me talk.
Go ahead.
I'm more worried about what people here how they feel towards you and your protest. So I'm more or less walking.
We're not protesting.
Let me finish. Don't cut me off, please. I'm more worried about your safety and about some of these citizens being upset with you than anything.
In small-town Beaver, Utah, a peaceful community celebration took an unexpected turn when animal rights activist Curtis Vollmer found himself at the center of a First Amendment controversy. Armed with a stack of flyers and a mission to spread awareness, Vollmer's actions caught the attention of local deputies, leading to a heated interaction that raises critical questions about constitutional rights, lawful orders, and the fine line between public safety and censorship. Have you ever wondered what might unfold when routine actions escalate unexpectedly? Let's explore now. And to all our viewers, Happy New Year. Wishing you a safe and exciting year ahead. You're watching Cops and Consequences. Subscribe now to join our community.
You have to have a permit.
Permit for a sidewalk?
Let me get my camera on too.
Sure.
Okay. You're not to
This is not a good look.
You're not to be spreading.
This is not a good look.
You're not supposed to be down here.
This is public property.
You're not to be down here doing this. Do you realize that your company caused a problem in our community?
Do you have anything relevant to say to me?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
I've asked you to stop.
Okay, I'm on public property.
You need to stop. Do you realize you're not wanted in this community and you've been asked to leave?
I don't care.
I know you don't care. That's the problem with your group. You just don't care about people or anybody. Do you understand? You've been asked to leave.
All of this for handing out some flyers. This is how much commotion.
All of this because your group has been a direct influence on shutting down Smithfield Foods. You don't realize that's the major employer in our county?
You don't think I know that?
There's a lot of people that have lost their jobs, and you come into this community and pour salt into the wounds of the people that have lost their jobs.
It's not the intent.
You need to well, I don't care what the intent is. What you're doing is causing a disturbance in the community.
I'm not trying to cause a disturbance. I'm just trying to have conversations with people.
You are.
And if people don't want to talk with me, I say thanks for your time and on with your day.
Okay. I'm going to stand right here and I'm going to tell people not to talk to you.
Then fine, do that.
Okay.
This is great content for us. Absolutely ridiculous. This is
ridiculous?
Is very anti-free speech.
It's
I
not.
never
It's
gave
not.
you permission to put me on your film, on your camera.
Okay, are you a public servant?
Yes, I am.
Okay, well then you can be filmed.
No, I cannot. Not a volunteer, not a servant.
Okay, you got a badge on.
I'm a volunteer. Now get your camera off.
You need to stop.
Stop what, sir?
Right there.
It's causing a problem in our community.
I'm not trying to cause any problems.
You are.
Listen, sir. When someone's asking you like this, a public servant, he's a volunteer type thing, he's asking you nicely to please don't film him.
Okay.
And we're asking you to stop filming him.
Okay, I won't film him.
We're giving you a lawful order to not do that.
Okay.
If you violate that lawful order, then, then you're causing a disorderly conduct issue.
We're not filming. We're not filming him anymore. Okay. We're filming you two.
The tension began when deputies informed Vollmer that he couldn't film a volunteer officer, claiming it was grounds for disorderly conduct under Utah law. However, legal precedent tells a very different story. The courts have long upheld the right to film public officials, including police officers, as a form of protected free speech. While the law does allow officers to manage public order, it does not permit them to override constitutional rights. This clash highlights the delicate balance between maintaining public order and respecting individual freedoms, a balance these deputies seem to misunderstand.
It's only drawing more attention to why we're here, so I appreciate this. Thank you. Do you know about the Smithfield trial happening?
You don't have a permit to approach people about your product.
Okay. I don't need a permit to talk to people on a public sidewalk.
You're causing a problem in the community.
I'm not. I'm asking people if they want to have a conversation. If they say no, I let them go.
People
That's
have come to us.
Sure.
They do not want you here.
Okay. That's fine.
Then I'm keeping the peace and I'm asking you to leave.
All we're asking people.
No, I'm asking you to leave.
Okay. Here's an example of what I'm doing. Have you all heard about the Smithfield trial?
Okay.
Okay, they don't want to talk. Okay, that's it. I move on. People don't want to talk, we move on.
Everybody, you don't.
Have y'all heard about the Smithfield trial? The upcoming Smithfield trial?
These are the people that are trying to shut down Smithfield. Okay?
It's not true.
These are the people that are trying to shut down Smithfield.
It's not true.
As Vollmer tried to engage with members of the community, deputies escalated their interference, actively discouraging others from speaking with him. Such actions toe a dangerous line. Courts have consistently ruled that government employees, while entitled to their opinions, cannot retaliate against individuals exercising constitutionally protected speech. In this case, the deputies' actions raise serious concerns about whether their personal biases influence their professional conduct. These moments serve as a stark reminder of the importance of accountability in public service roles.
More importantly, I'm more important for your safety.
We're not here to talk about that.
No, let me talk.
Go ahead.
I'm more worried about what people here how they feel towards you in your protest. I'm more or less walking.
We're not protesting.
Let me finish. Don't cut me off, please. I'm more worried about your safety and about some of these citizens being upset with you than anything.
When you come in on a day that people are trying to enjoy the holiday, and you stir them up, we get calls and complaints about
having conversations, they need to look in the mirror. If people are so triggered and so upset from having a conversation, they need to look in the mirror.
You know what? You need to have a little bit more compassion.
Okay.
Okay? With people.
Okay.
Okay, you don't understand that Smithfield has shut down.
Officers claimed they acted to protect Vollmer from potential backlash within the community, but the courts have long rejected the concept of the Heckler's veto. The Supreme Court has repeatedly ruled that speech cannot be silenced simply because it might provoke strong reactions. In fact, free speech often thrives when it challenges the status quo and sparks meaningful dialogue, even in the face of discomfort. Here, there was no evidence of a brewing disturbance, making the officers' actions appear more like an attempt to suppress speech than to ensure safety. This case serves as a powerful reminder of the challenges involved in balancing public order with individual freedoms. It's a story of perseverance, legal principles, and the ongoing fight for constitutional rights. What are your thoughts on this incident? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching Cops and Consequences. Don't miss our next deep dive into another compelling story of law and order. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to join our growing community, where we unravel the complexities of justice and accountability one case at a time.